Hey there, Money Masters. Welcome back to TMC The Money Circle. I'm Family X, and today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: 10 money-saving hacks for a wealthier life. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our money-saving tips and financial advice. Segment 1: The importance of saving money. Alright, let's start with the basics. Saving money is the cornerstone of financial success. It's not about how much you earn but how much you keep. So, here are some tips to help you get started. Tip 1: Create a budget. First, create a budget. Knowing where your money is going is crucial. It helps you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Tip 2: Automate your savings. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account every payday. This way, you'll save without even thinking about it. Segment 2: Cutting everyday expenses. Now, let's talk about cutting everyday expenses. Tip 3: Cook at home. Cook at home instead of dining out. Not only is it healthier, but it can save you a ton of money. Tip 4: Cancel unused subscriptions. Review your subscriptions regularly. Cancel any you no longer use, like that gym membership you've forgotten about. Segment 3: Earning more money. Earning more money is just as important as saving. Let's explore some ways to boost your income. Tip 5: Side hustles. Consider side hustles or freelance work. Use your skills to make extra cash on the side. Tip 6: Invest wisely. Invest wisely. Research stocks, real estate, or other investment opportunities to grow your wealth over time. Segment 4: Long-term financial planning. Lastly, let's talk about long-term financial planning. Tip 7: Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund. Having savings for unexpected expenses can prevent you from going into debt. Tip 8: Retirement accounts. Contribute to retirement accounts. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow over time. Conclusion: there you have it, Money Masters. 10 money-saving hacks that will set you on the path to a wealthier life. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Start implementing these tips today, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more valuable money-related content from your channel.